Ring, ring, ring.
Thank you for calling room service. This is Abdullah Pulang speaking. How may I help you?
Pere. I would like to order.
May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Kim Borrero and my room number is 8.
Okay, ma'am. May I take your order now?
I would like to order Sesto Choco and Paji Bar.
Would you like to try Sesto Choco and Paji Bar?
Yes, thanks. That will be all.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? Sesto Choco and Paji Bar? Did I get your order right, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Your bill is 37 pesos. For the payment of your bill, is it cash, credit card, or is a room charge?
Cash, please.
Okay, sir. Your order will be delivered as soon as possible. Maybe in 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Good morning, sir. My name is Abdullah Polonio. I will be your room server for today. And here's your room service order when I come in. Excuse me, sir, Kim. Would you like me to set up your food on your table?
Set up your food, please.
Excuse me, sir. May I present to you your bill?
Okay.
Okay, I received 40 pesos. I'll be back for your change. What time would you like me to come back to pick up your services?
After 1 hour.
If you need anything else, sir, just dial our room service. Thank you and enjoy your meal. This is Abdullah Polonio. I'm here to pick up your services. May I come in?
Please come in.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your change. By the way, sir, if you're for a party tonight, would you like to visit?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for staying in our hotel. Have a nice day.